So our neighbor turned these rabbits loose out here back in the spring. There's about 7 of them in total. These damn things, man, they're out here popping around all over the place. And there's our crew of chickens. We decided to let them out today. It's so nice and pretty out. We figured we'd let them get out and do some foraging. There's my idiot son. Wish the rest of the rabbits would have been out here. Yeah, as you can see, we got a couple caged, but then there's like 7 of them that run loose around the farm. It's wild.